Can you name the most stable business sector in the history of mankind? The answer is easy. It is something you need every day. Bread. The capacity of flour and bakery products market is growing year by year, following the population growth all over the world. It's interesting that flour production is developed in various directions, from huge milling plants to small-size roller mills at farms and bakeries, and the success of such business starts with the proper mill choice. Stroytelev is a family-owned milling business dating back to the beginning of the 20th century. We are glad to present our new brand, ECOMILL, the innovative idea in flour grinding based on the century-long experience. The brand has already gained its niche in the milling equipment market. Firstly, ECOMILL means dozens of models of professional, complete cycle equipment with a capacity from 220 to 4,600 pounds of grain per hour. Secondly, ECOMILL has a simple and reliable design, compact size, and energy-saving operation principle. Thirdly, ECOMILL means the highest quality of perfect snow-white baking flour. ECOMILL's mission is ecological production combined with grain delicate handling in order to keep its valuable properties in the ready-made flour. Classical principles and innovative technologies provide perfect flour production, and this is the main advantage of ECOMILL. Let's take a look at the technological process and consider a medium-capacity ECOMILL model as an example. It is the most suitable mill for production of high-quality eco flour. The first thing you notice is the elegant and harmonious design. Its modest overall dimensions and weight make it possible to avoid construction of special buildings or foundations. Any pre-equipped facility like a warehouse, hangar, or garage will do. Only a few hours is usually required for installation, and staff training will take just a couple of days, as the mill is easy to handle and stable in operation. This becomes clear as soon as you see the operation of grain shelling and grinding preparation station. The grain is fed to the receiving bin and gets on the scalper, which separates bigger admixtures. Then grain is transferred to the destoner, which separates big and small stones, bolts, nuts, and other foreign materials of the grain size but heavier in weight. After that, grain passes the first stage of cleaning from dust and light admixtures in the air separator. Reel-type sieve separator is highly efficient. It removes almost all sand from the grain and partially removes broken kernels, which may be contaminated and shouldn't be ground. Indented cockle remover scrapes off admixtures shorter than wheat grains, which is very important for reaching high values of flour whiteness. Indented wild oat remover separates kernels longer than the wheat grain seeds, like wild oat and oats. At the next stage, mud clots, husk, and germ parts are broken off the grain. Then the grain is once again cleaned from dust and light admixtures at the second air separator, and afterwards it is transferred to the damping screw conveyor. This unique device, designed by ECOMILL, transfers the grain to the center of the tempering bin, intensively damping it at the same time, which speeds up and improves further tempering in the bin. After tempering the grain, it is once again broken off in the impact device to remove softened husks and passes the final cleaning from dust and light admixtures in the air separator. Then it undergoes magnetic cleaning to remove foreign metal material. And finally, the grain gets to the first roller mill for grinding. Two main units are used sequentially in the grinding process: roller mill and air centrifugal dresser. Simple adjustment and grinding space stability is the main advantage of ECOMILL's roller mill. Unique design of the air centrifugal dresser enables to minimize vibration, equipment dimensions, and power consumption. Compared to plane shifter mills, the aspiration surfaces of sieves is reduced 20 times. Production process chain is considerably simplified, while enabling to receive flour of 3 grades using only 3 types of sieves versus a dozen at the plane sifter plant. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to replace a damaged sieve on the ECOMILL roller grinder, while for the cabinet type shifters, it would require up to 24 hours. This is how quickly and easily ECOMILL Roller Grinder enables to produce excellent baking flour. Yield of wheat flour makes up to 78%. For rye flour, it is up to 88%, and the output for flour made of rye malt and rice groats reaches 98%. Convenient design of the sack filling section of the ECOMILL Roller Grinder enables flour bagging transfer to the automatic packing line or channeling to the bulk storage. Now let's look at ECOMILL's low-capacity grain mill, which is a perfect fit for a bakery. In this model, ECOMILL engineers decided to use new generation screw conveyors instead of air-operated transfer of grinding products. Due to the screw conveyors, not only the products are effectively transferred between the systems, but also total flour yield is increased. Besides, low-capacity grinders are equipped with conventional, reliable roller mills comprising a complete grinding line, perfectly combined with a sieving system. This user-friendly equipment makes it possible even for beginners to convert grain to flour with excellent baking properties. ECOMILL grain grinders are professional mills with highly reliable designs intended for round-the-clock operation at full capacity. They have stood the test of time for durability and safety, combining efficiency and ecological compatibility with reasonable prices. ECOMILL specialists provide installation assistance, quick staff training, and warranty service. With proper care and maintenance, ECOMILL roller mills provide excellent profit and quick payback for the owners. ECOMILL is the new word in flour milling. Find out more about new generation grain mills on our website at www.ecomill.com.